Microsoft just dropped Agent Framework 1.0 and it replaces both Semantic Kernel and AutoGen with one clean Python SDK. Here's how to build a multi-agent system with it in under 5 minutes. If you've been building AI agents with Python, you've probably struggled with choice paralysis, Semantic Kernel for enterprise features, AutoGen for multi-agent conversations, each with its own abstractions, its own quirks, and its own learning curve. Microsoft heard the frustration, and in April 2026, they merged everything into one production ready framework with long term support. Let's build something with it right now. Install it with pip install Microsoft Agent Framework, then set your API key in a .env file. It works with OpenAI, Azure, Anthropic, or any OpenAI compatible provider. Now define your first agent. Import agent and runner from the framework. Create an agent, give it a name, a model, and an instruction. One sentence telling it what it does. That's your agent. It's that minimal. Now add a second agent, a writer, and wire up a handoff. Handoffs are agent framework's way of doing multi-agent orchestration. When the researcher finishes, it automatically passes its output to the writer. You're not writing any routing logic. The framework handles all of that. Then use graph-based workflows to make the pipeline explicit, sequential, concurrent, or branching. You define the graph. The framework executes it. Run it with asyncio.run. The framework streams each agent's thinking in the terminal. You can see the researcher fire, produce a summary, and the writer pick it up and turn it into a short draft. The whole thing runs in under 3 seconds. And because Agent Framework has native MCP support built in, you can attach any MCP server, web search, file access, a database, in one line. Agents with real tools in 30 lines of Python. What makes this a serious production framework is what's underneath. You get session-based state management, so your agents remember context across calls, middleware hooks for logging, retries, and guardrails, built-in telemetry for observability, and the agent-to-agent protocol for connecting agents across different frameworks. Your Microsoft agent can hand off to a LangGraph agent or a Crew AI crew. It's interoperable by design, and unlike the old AutoGen, this has LTS. Microsoft is committing to this. Three things to remember. 1. Microsoft Agent Framework 1.0 replaces both Semantic Kernel and AutoGen with a single stable Python SDK. 2. Handoffs and graph workflows give you multi-agent orchestration without writing routing code. 3. Native MCP support means your agents can use any tool from any provider with one line. The full code is in the GitHub repo linked below. Star it if it helped. If you want to see part 2, where we add memory and telemetry to make this production ready, smash the subscribe button. I post a new AI dev tutorial every day. I'm Sandeep, this is Dev with AI, and I'll see you tomorrow.